Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. Today we're gonna be cutting up in my brand new Hoodless wrap green Hellcat. I still gotta find a name for this car though, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all got any name suggestions, drop them down below. Did the supercharger pink with white splatters. It's a little janky, but you feel me? Ain't nothing a paintbrush can't touch up. But I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
She get too comfortable, have to tell her she is not my bitch. I took it so I'm right the Vic, then he fit on my switch. I lay up with you, but don't hit cause I got boogie dick. But it's cool cause Jay with me, shit I bet he hit. Was gone for months and now I'm back like shit, what I missed.
It feels so good to be back, man. I ain't recorded a POV in so long. I damn near forgot my usual routine, you feel me? My usual lines, bro. I damn near forgot. I love this wine, man. I really don't want to ever put my hood back on. These folks don't go. Oh, I gotta turn anyways now. Why are they sticking their middle finger up? God damn, boy. Bro, the nigga in front of me in this Kia Soul just stick his middle finger up, bro. What wrong with dude? Like I won't bust his grate. Now I ain't gonna lie, it's the top 3 biggest bumps I done hit since being lowered. I pray my front lip still intact. chips gotta be my top 3 favorite things about this car, bro. No bullshit. That shit does not get old, bro. Oh, what's that right there? Widebody scat pack. That shit crazy, boy. Somebody behind me on my ass, what the fuck? Like, come on, bro. Like, hit the gas a little bit, bro, please. Bro, I love this wine, man. The wine be sounding good with the hood on, but with it off, oh my lord, it's a whole different ball game. I'm ready to get a tune too, man. I'm gonna get a tune this summer though. I just popped a flame. Bro, I wish this nigga would get off my ass, bro. Damn. That motherfucker Putin, ain't it? Gotta be careful on this highway. That's where all the bumps is. Like, look at that. What are you doing? Damn, boy. Track mode, these shifts are so aggressive. Like, I love that shit so much. Oh, shit. What are we doing, folks? What are we doing? Shit is something else, boy, I tell you. Bro, every C8 I see is stock as fuck. And it's always an old head driving it. It'd be a stock C8 and it'd be somebody 45 plus driving. Every time, it never fails. stay being cops over here, so I gotta chill for a little second. We almost at the destination though. Oh my God, that traffic. Look at this traffic. Am I ever gonna be able to turn? We made it to my second home, boy. I ain't had Chili's in a minute, man. This trip never about to hit. Oh my God, I'm starving.